In this video, I'll show you how to create a simple dream blur effect in DaVinci Resolve. This tutorial uses magic mask and motion trails, which are only available in the Studio version. Let's jump in. Start on the edit page and select your clip. Hold Option and drag it down to duplicate it on a track below. The top clip will be your subject, and the bottom one will be used for the blur. Select the top clip and go to the color page. Open Magic Mask and turn on the overlay. Add a few strokes on your subject, then track forward and let Resolve analyze the shot. When it's done, right-click in the node area, add an alpha output, and connect the blue output to the blue input. Go back to the edit page and select the clip underneath. In the effects library, search for motion trails and apply it to that clip. Open the inspector and adjust the settings until the blur feels soft and dreamlike. The top clip stays clean, the bottom clip adds motion blur, and that's your dream blur effect.